ay nako talaga mga hulog lagi nang na mga medyas nga napkin lagi. And pagkatapos niyan, ilagay natin itong pang marinate niya. He complained guys that he said, "This is my glass usually." And he said, "Oh,
Yes, there's a bunch of them. You just don't want me to have none of them."
Kukuha ako ulit ng isang winner para ibigay yung $50.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning guys! And ang early ko guys, nagluluto. Nagbo-boil ako ng itlog. Nagbo-boil ako ng itlog ngayon. And meron akong nakaat na mga para pang macaroni salad kasi gagawa ako ng macaroni salad. Elbows, barilla, pasta. And hindi lang, magbo-boil din ako ng tiil ng manok. Tiil sa manok. So yun, gusto niyong malaman guys kung what's in my refrigerator? What's in my refrigerator at saka freezer sa baba? Gawa natin yan ng video. Gusto niya? Wala namang kaano-ano itong refrigerator. Walang laman. Merong laman pero ano lang siya. Putulan. Mag-gloves ako guys. Ang sabi pa ng kapatid ko na babae, linisin mo daw sila. Kunin mo ng kuko. Kunin mo yung kuko. And handyan na siya guys. Iwawash ko lang siya. Yun. Iwawash ko lang siya. And painitan natin siya. Pagkatapos niyan guys, ano natin siya. Boil dyan. Ang puti-puti na mga paa. Boil siya at saka yan. Guys, ang ilagay ko dito sa para pang marinate is toyo. Lemon. Corn, onion, and garlic powder. Lagyan ko ng oil konti. Konti lang. Para didikit yung lasa talaga. What do you think you're doing? Hoy. What? She licked my tears, guys. Diyan si Roxy, guys. Umiiyak. Napansin ko yan kanina. Anyway, pansin ko lang yan kanina dahil nanood ako again. Nanonood na naman ako ng video. This morning dito, nakaupo ako. So, nanonood ako. Anong nangyayari? Nang parang gumaganon ako ba? At saka, tumutulo luha ko. Madali lang talaga tutulo itong luha ko, guys. So, andito pala siya. Nakalimutan kong andito siya. So, suddenly when I said, ganyan ako. Ganyan ako nang umiyak ko ba? Ganyan. Ako lang kasi mag-isa. So, ganyan. Oh my God. Umambak si Roxy, guys. Tumalon sa akin dito. Chok! Dito talaga. Ang inuuna niya yung mata ko, guys. Oh my God. How? Ang mata talaga, guys. Alam niyang umiiyak ako. At saka, parang alam niya ba na umiiyak ako? So, tumalon siya dito. Saan niya nililik? Dito, mata ko. I love you. Come here. Come here, Roxy. Come. Oh, tignan nyo. Come here. Go give me the duck. Go give me the duck. Give it to mama. Good girl. Good girl. Maniw, tingnan nyo si Misty guys. Sa labayang mag-iliw. Pero sa silanganan. Alam ng puso. Sa dibdib mo'y buhay. I love you too, baby. I love you. No, I love you. Ayan. So, yung Jackson pala, marami tayong naglalaro. Guys, mahilig din ako sa Julin. Yung pinaka-addict ako talaga is Lastiko at saka Julin. Yung ganun ba? Yung Lastiko, tinatay mo yung may kasama kayo, ganyan-ganyan, tagdalawahan kayo. So, itatay ninyong lahat yon ganun. Usually, 2 players lang yun, ganun ba? Kung sino yung kung matanggal mo, hala, ganun, tanggal. Kung matanggal yung isa, masiparet, kunin, sa'yo na yun, ganyan. And, addict ako niyan, guys. Ginoo ko, guys. Every recess, guys. Bahala na talaga. Daming Lastiko dito sa kamay ko, oh. Kinukuha yung maestra, kinukuha sa maestra yan kapag nakikita nila na andun sa kamay mo. So, inano namin yan, isulod sa bag, mga ganyan. Hindi namin ilalagay sa ilagay namin silufin. So, ang nangyayari, guys, noon, so, may bibili papel. Yung papel ba, di ba maliit yung sa elementary, mga papel. Kapag wala kang papel, exchange papel, mga 5 Lastiko, mga 5 papel din, ganyan. Grabe talaga noon, guys, pati la. Mag-exchange lagi, guys, yung mga papel. Pag wala akong papel, bigyan kita Lastiko, ganyan. And also, yung Julin. Di ba, mahal yung Julin, guys. Yung Julin na sinaw. Meron ding hindi sinaw, yung mga parang rainbow na puti, na parang tiles na Julin. Ay, guys, grabe din ako. Pati yung auntie ko, guys, nagsisave ng Julin, guys. Yung Julin, kapag wala kaming Julin, alam nyo ba kung saan kami kumukuha ng Julin? May damo, hindi damo, may halaman. Hindi siya halaman, guys, pero parang bushes ba? May damo na malaki na damo, malaki yung dahon. Hindi naman sobrang laki yung dahon. Parang may tinik ba? At saka ang bunga niya, maliit lang na na sagbot, I don't know, nakalimutan. Talong-talong. Tinatawag yan namin ng talong-talong, guys. Talong-talong. So, ang bunga niya is green, maliit na lingin, sobrang lingin, guys. So, yun ang Julin namin. Julin na dyan. Alam nyo ba yung Chinese garter? Kahit lagi may dugo, guys, mag-menstruation lagi, guys. Basta kay ambak lang na ambak, guys. Ay, nako, talaga mga hulog lagi nang mga medyas ng napkin lagi. Mga hulog talaga yung mga medyas na napkin na yan. Wala kasing napkin noon. Medyas lang. Medyas. Natawa ako sa medyas. Ay, Ginoo ko talaga. Pugtaan lagi. Nakakahiya naman ito. Hala, hindi ko talaga ma-imagine noon, guys. Yung nagdadalaga ako. At saka walang napkin kasi mahal. Hindi ko talaga ma-imagine. At saka nakapunta pa ako sa high school, sa school, kahit may ganun. Hindi ko na-imagine, di ba, no? Ngayon, ngayon, kaya na ng mga parents nila. Or, noon, kaya naman ng iba noon, pero kami, taga-province kasi, ang hirap ng pera. So, hindi ko ma-imagine, grabe, grabe, basta. Hindi ko lang talaga ma-imagine. But anyway, lutuin ko muna itong para sa mukbang mamaya. Andito pala sa tummy later, guys. So, luto na siya, guys. Ang gagawin natin is i-drain. Atin siya ditong ibo-bo natin siya dyan. Parang, yan siya. Woo! So, ilagay ko dito yung chicken feet. And pagkatapos niyan, ilagay natin itong pang-marinate niya. Yan, ilagay natin siya dito. Para ma-marinate siya ng ilang oras bago natin siya tawag nito, barbecue. Why your eyes is so big?
30 grams of protein and 1 gram of sugar. New Ensure Max Protein with 2 great flavors.
I love you, man.
The grass was a cat. That's because of those socks.
Because of the socks and the
Why are you throwing them in the wash?
and the pee pad over there. What? Did you see how big is that? You see how big it is?
Yeah.
Why is it that big?
It was across the back.
Oh, I thought it's in the side.
Oh, well, across the back.
Because this is where they came out the thing over here.
It comes out of the back.
It's not heavy, right? Why is it kind of open?
Ship very well.
You have knife?
Well, needed.
I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost.
Guys, lumaki yung ano guys, lawnmower namin. Ito yung ina-attach ni Tammy para to collect the ano. Ito siya. Parang siyang mga garbage bin ba sa ilalim. Tatlong ano. And then connect this tube. Malaking tubo. Dito to connect over there so that ito na siya. Sobrang laki na. Paano ko na to i-maneuver?
We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling.
Can't get in.
You can't get in the other side.
Alright, let's find out.
Han,
The gas in it?
you have to keep checking it, huh?
The gas?
Yeah. Tapos na akong nag-barbecue, guys. Chicken barbecue. Yan, dinner namin. And also, yung zucchini. And, nagmamarinate ako ng chicken feet. Bukas ko na siya lulutuin. Bukas na ako magmukbang. Hindi ko feel ngayon magmukbang. At saka, si Tammy andun pa rin sa labas. Sobrang, Okay, get down, Rox. Why you have to be Scotch? Why you have to be Scotch? Come up. Come. Why you have to be? Miss you. Ginoo ko ninyo duha ba? God, 9 o'clock na guys, hindi pa kami kumakain ng dinner. And grabe yung it's worse pala yung kasi kapag basa ikakat yung grass. Grabe pala kami yung grass nag-stuck. At saka yung driveway namin puro grass na nakakat green. Yung driveway namin naging green. So anyway, andito na pala yung asawa ko.
Bagging blades.
So, need to be what do you mean by bagging? What is the difference?
Lift the grass better and makes better bag.
Then you have to change it. He complained, guys, that he said, "This is my glass usually," and he said, "Oh, you
Yes,
don't
there's a bunch of them. You just don't want me to have
You
none
do-
of them.
Of course you can have it. You can try. You can try.
I can try it.
You can have it. It's our glass, and you know why I get this? There's a reason. And that's our glass. I'm so hungry, guys. I don't even do my mukbang chicken feet.
She does have chicken feet, guys, but I never would have said it.
Yes, you supposedly have with me.
She had chicken feet. Look. Show them the chicken feet.
No, honey, you say that's an old fit. Old lady fit.
Old
Fit.
hands.
Yeah, whatever. What is that? Is that camera? What is it?
I'll tell you if you agree to use it.
What is it?
We put the pads on and give you electricals.
No.
There you go.
Are you serious? How much is that?
No, it's very cheap.
$100? That's not cheap. I thought it's a camera for me. Like a GoPro.
And these are extra pads.
I need rice. I'm gonna eat rice. Because maghapdos akong tiyan nito. Humahapdi yung tiyan ko kapag kakain ako nito. Hapdi. So, rice talaga is the bitsy. The bitsy. Ito yan. Kain lang kami, guys, ah. Hi guys! Hello guys sa inyo. Kukuha ako ng winner sa video na ito. And, di ba pumipili ako ulit ng winner sa giveaway ng yung dalawang giveaway. This is Jackie Berg. Thank you. Siya yung nanalo last. At saka sabi niya, ibigay niya sa iba. So, sabi niya mag-draw daw ako. Kukuha ako ulit ng isang winner para ibigay yung $50. So, thank you sis Jackie. And yeah, I really appreciate it. And yeah, makatulong talaga yan sa ibang yung nangangailangan talaga. Thank you, Sis Jack. Mag-comment lang. Dapat talaga mag-comment kayo, guys, para doon ko kukunin yung kung sino man yung maging winner, doon siya makukuha sa comment. Thank you, guys, so much for watching. Hindi ko na ito tataasin pa para lang gusto ko lang talagang ipaalam sa inyo na kukuha ako ng isang winner again dito sa video na ito. And dahil yan kay Sis Jackie Berg. Kita-kits tayo ulit guys sa video ko bukas. And so yun lang guys. And yeah, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Winner winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah.